1. Who appoints the State Election Commissioner? A. Governor. B. Speaker. C. Chief Minister. D. Advocate General. Correct answer. A. Governor. Question 2. In India, microfinance institutions primarily target which segment of the population? A. Non-resident Indians, NRIs. B. Large corporations. C. Low-income individuals and small businesses. D. High-income individuals. Correct answer. C. Low-income individuals and small businesses. Question 3. Geto Sora won the Arena Junior Boys International Badminton Championship. He belongs to which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Mizoram. C. Sikkim. D. Meghalaya. Correct answer. A. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 4. The Padma Shri awardee Guru K. Kalyansundaram Pillai, the man who is keeping an ancient tradition alive, was awarded the Padma Shri 2023 for his contribution to the field of A. Kuchipudi. B. Kathakali. C. Bharatanatyam. D. Mohiniyattam. Correct answer. C. Bharatanatyam. Question 5. Which of the following states will host the 37th National Games? A. Odisha. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Goa. D. Karnataka. Correct answer. C. Goa. Question 6. Which of the following is not a characteristic of money? A. Portability. B. Perishability. C. Divisibility. D. Durability. Correct answer. B. Perishability. Question 7. In which river has the National Waterways 2 (NW2) been developed in India? A. Brahmaputra. B. Krishna. C. Ganga. D. Narmada. Correct answer. A. Brahmaputra. Question 8. How many countries will participate in ICC 2023 ODI Cricket World Cup? A. 12. B. 10. C. 6. D. 8. Correct answer. B. 10. Question 9. The Mumbai High region in Arabian Sea is known for mining. A. Uranium. B. Coal. C. Copper. D. Mineral oil. Correct answer. D. Mineral oil. Question 10. Whose autobiography is titled Born Again on the Mountain, a story of losing everything and finding it back? A. Dicky Dolma. B. Bachendri Pal. C. Arunima Sinha. D. Santosh Yadav. Correct answer. C. Arunima Sinha. Question 11 has two traditions. One is the Sankirtana, which is the devotional aspect, and the other is the Rasa. A. Odissi. B. Satriya. C. Manipuri dance. D. Chhau. Correct answer. C. Manipuri dance. Question 12. What is the name of the scheme launched by Himachal Pradesh government for dairy farmers? A. Dugdh Dhan. B. Pashu Poshan. C. Doodh or Dhan. D. Sanjeevani. Correct answer. D. Sanjeevani. Question 13. The of the Indian Constitution defines the fundamental duties of Indian citizens. A. Article 51A. B. Article 41B. C. Article 49C. D. Article 21A. Correct answer. A. Article 51A. Question 14. Kalidas Samman is a prestigious arts award presented annually by the government of A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Kerala. D. Karnataka. Correct answer. A. Madhya Pradesh. Question 15. In which of the following years was the Child Marriage Restraint Act passed? A. 1949. B. 1939. C. 1950. D. 1929. Correct answer. D. 1929. Question 16. Which of the following lakes is a saltwater lake? A. Superior. B. Chilika. C. Maloi. D. Titicaca. Correct answer. B. Chilika. Question 17. What type of vegetation is represented by Sundarbans? The world's largest delta located in the Bay of Bengal. A. Tropical thorn forests. B. Montane forests. C. Mangrove forests. D. Semi-evergreen forests. Correct answer. C. Mangrove forests. Question 18. According to the Census of India 2011, Identify the correct pair of state and union territories which recorded the highest literacy rate. A. Mizoram and Lakshadweep. B. Kerala and Chandigarh. C. Goa and Puducherry. D. Kerala and Lakshadweep. Correct answer. D. Kerala and Lakshadweep. Question 19. The Sal tree assumes great significance in a number of tribal communities scattered across eastern India. For instance, festival is celebrated in honor of the tree in Jharkhand. A. Karma. B. Tusu Parab. C. Sarhul. D. Sohrai. Correct answer. C. Sarhul. Question 20. On 8 April 1929, who among the following two revolutionists threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly? A. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru. B. Bhagat Singh and Ram Prasad Bismil. C. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt. D. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev. Correct answer. C. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt. Question 21. Among the given options, which one causes an echo? A. When sound waves travel through a vacuum. B. When sound waves travel through a solid medium. C. When sound is reflected. D. When sound waves travel through a liquid medium. Correct answer. C. When sound is reflected. Question 22. Wings of Fire is an autobiography of whom? A. Indira Gandhi. B. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Ratan Tata. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer. B. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question 23. Dr. Bhupendra Kumar Hazarika won the Bharat Ratna in the field of in 2019. A. Music. B. Literature. C. Science. D. Games. Correct answer. A. Music. Question 24. Identify the Chhau dancer from the following who received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award 2021. Given in February 2023. A. Rabindra Atibudhi. B. Bharti Vithal. C. Kumkum Dhar. D. Bhuvan Kumar. Correct answer. D. Bhuvan Kumar. Question 25. Which of the following Indian musicians was referred to as Zazil King? A. Ghulam Ali. B. Jagjit Singh. C. Pankaj Udhas. D. Mehdi Hasan. Correct answer. B. Jagjit Singh.